so excited to share to you guys my birthday gift. Well, one of my birthday gifts. This is a birthday unboxing and happy birthday to me. And honestly, I'm telling you right now, it didn't come in this box. I am so sorry about that. But it was well packed so far from how I got it. So it arrived with the same JNT kind of package, but after opening that, it's in here. I'm so excited. Okay. Honestly, I was able to pick just the color, but I don't know what it looks like. This is the first time I'm getting from this shop, and it's not from me. It was gifted to me by one of my uncles, so thank you so much. And yeah, I'm kind of excited. So I was just given the budget for this, okay? So it's not technically the person ordered it, okay? It was just gifted to me, and I'm so excited to get it. So here it is. So yeah, it came in this plastic after the JNT cover, and it came with like the cardboard, probably for the protection. And here it is. In the color, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It is a pink bag, and it has the whole well, it's like the Chanel 19 kind of bag, and honestly it's so cute. Here it is. So it's covered here. The chain is covered, which is really great, so it's not going to tarnish the bag while it's still weighted here. And honestly, I'm so happy. It has a back pocket, but it has a clasp, so it's actually really good. The Chanel 19 doesn't have a clasp like this. I think it's magnetic, and it's what's this, inside, so inside, so you can't see it. But this one you can see it, and you can put something there, and that's why it's just hard to put your hand in, because it has fillings inside, so that's great. And honestly, I did remove, the only thing I did see the color already of this, I'm so sorry about that, but I did remove the sticker. It has a sticker on the hardware, just to make sure that it's not going to tarnish the hardware before you open it. But I was kind of scared, the whole oxidation thing, that's why I did remove it. Like a few weeks after I got it, I kept this first and not open it again, and I didn't use it yet, obviously, because this one is still here. But yeah, the bag is so nice. So there is stuffing inside. There's actually two stuffing, because aside from that, the handle, oh my gosh. So this is honestly really nice. It's different from the Chanel 19 handle, because they have, yeah, it has different hardwares, but that one had multiple hardwares. This one has just, I think, the two tones, which is the gold plated one and the really nice black one. So it's really nice, and it's covered so that it's not going to rust or oxidize inside, so it's pretty great on that. And the color is really nice. Now honestly, the color, the pink color, I will try to take a photo of it to see the other color of it. It's like, it has actually like a more purple tone rather than the peachy tone that you can see. I think it's just because of the lighting, I'm so sorry about that, but it has like that a more purple undertone rather than that peachy color. And it's honestly super nice. I can easily pair this with a lot, because I actually have a lot of outfits that has this kind of tone of color, so I'm kind of excited to use it. So inside, there's actually just one zipper pocket right here, and inside is like this beautiful gray, I think it's canvas. It's like a fabric material inside, and honestly it's super nice of a color and super worth it. Now this is small, this is a small kind of bag, but honestly it's super worth it, because it has, I think, 3 colors: the pink one, the white, and the black. And that's why I took this one, because I'm not yet into the black trend, or I'm not really a black bag kind of person. I have a lot of black bags, and I barely use them nowadays, but that's why I don't purchase a lot of black bags, because I don't use it, and I don't think with this design I would prefer it in a black bag. So yeah, so this is it. I actually already have a white version, but in a different shop, or where I got it, and it's a different kind of look, but it's still the same, as inspired as the Chanel 19. And honestly, I really like it, the big quilting. And look, if you can see, it is aligned, somehow aligned, so that's actually good craftsmanship, and I'm also happy with it. This is much smaller, I think, than the other bag that I have. But yeah, I will make a comparison, or let me know actually if you want me to put a comparison video down below. And I hope to see you guys. Wait, I'm exiting so quickly. Let me know down below if you want me to put a comparison video between this and the other bag that I shopped with. And if you like this video, please like and comment down below. Let me know what other bags you want me to try, if you want me to actually check on other ones, or let me know what bag you want me to suggest that has good quality and inspired by the other, or like a dupe of the other bags or other luxury bags. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye guys! So cute.